back to my channel. My name is Purity, or you can call me Mademoiselle Rutere. So today I'm going to be doing a declutter with me video, so I'll just put you on a time lapse. So if there are pieces that any of you from my closet, you can just let me know in the comment section below, and we can arrange how you're going to get them. So yeah, let's do this. So I'm going to start with clearing my bed, because that's where I'm going to place my clothes. All of them are clean. I also have a basket full of dirty laundry, but clearly I'm not going to be getting rid of any of those clothes because I wear them, and that's why they're there. Yeah, so what we're going to be tackling is what is in my closet, because I have clothes that I haven't worn for days. Let's go to part 2, which is getting all my clothes out of the closet so that I can start the sorting process. All this is the pile from one part of the closet. I'm yet to clear the sweaters, but I'll go bit by bit because it's such a tiring process. So I don't know if I'm going to finish all of it today, but I'll do as much as I can, then we can continue tomorrow. So that you can get what I'm doing, this side is where I'm placing the clothes that I'm keeping, and this other side I'll be placing the clothes that I don't need anymore in my closet. So another thing, I really love this dress, but like it was just a lovely dress, but I've since become big. I've grown fat, so I can't fit in this dress anymore. So like for this one, I have no other option but to give it out. It's also another piece that I'm torn in between giving out or keeping it, because it was my graduation dress and I just feel attached to it, or Atakami doesn't fit anymore. So I don't know, maybe I'll keep it for a while. And then once I'm satisfied with it, I'm going to get rid of it. But for now, I think I'll just keep it, although I don't wear it. You know what? Let me not be selfish. I'll just give it away. On to it because it was I bought it when I bought it for myself during my 24th birthday. So yeah, I'm still keeping it. I'm done with the first part of the closet, so I'm going to be putting it back right in now. Let me just show you what I've come up with. Yeah, this pile over here, everything on that bed I'm keeping. Same to everything that I've arranged there. What I'm giving away stroke selling, and this is everything that I'll be giving away stroke selling. Yeah, so now it's time to put my clothes back in the closet. I don't know if I'm going to color code them, but I'll just try my best to color code them. Like, I don't know how to do it, but I'll just try my best to make it aesthetically pleasing. So I've tried to color coordinate them as much as possible. I'd say that I'm happy with the result. Yeah. Also, another thing that I forgot to show you guys is this hanger, scarf hanger, that's what I'll call it. I got it from House of Leather, and it has become really helpful when it comes to where I put my scarves. So yeah, one of the best pieces I have ever purchased. So yeah, off to the next one. This is the final view for this part. I tried as much as possible to color coordinate it. This is decluttering day 2. So let me just move. Things are falling. Yeah, so this areas where I put my cardigan, my trench coats, and yeah, just the warm clothings. This is where I put everything. And this area is where I put my oils and yeah, lotions, hair oil, just basically everything else that is not a piece of cloth. Yeah, so we're going to start with this part. I'll declutter, and yeah, let's see what we are going to get out of this closet. The sweater area. I've gotten rid of a few of my cardigans because one, either they don't fit, and secondly, I have outgrown them, so I really don't need I really don't need them in my closet. So let's get to my oils and all those whatnots. So that's the situation right now. The place looks neat and arranged. I just feel happy just looking at that space. I'm just happy. On to the next part, which is my shoes, because I don't know if I'm going to get rid of any shoes over there, but we'll see. We'll just see, because I just love each and every pair of shoe that is in that rack. So that marks the end of my decluttering video. I hope you enjoyed, and it has will I call it inspire or encourage? It has encouraged you or inspired you to declutter your own closet, even if it's not much, and you have clothes that you don't wear. Just get them out of your closet. That's my motto. I declutter every year, once every year. So for this year until next year, that's when I'm going to do another decluttering batch. So yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.